This refreshing and light strawberry orange smoothie is full of immune-boosting ingredients, protein-packed, and entirely vegan for a delicious, easy, healthy breakfast. The most impressive nutritional aspect of strawberries is that they are very high in vitamin C. Vitamin C has great benefits for eye health. Strawberries are also rich in antioxidants and minerals, which can bring many benefits to human health. Oranges are mainly composed of carbohydrates and water, with little protein and fat and few calories. Oranges are a healthy source of fiber, vitamin C, thiamine, folic acid and antioxidants. They have multiple health benefits. This fruit is an excellent supplement to a healthy diet, and I like to use it to make smoothies. This 3-ingredient smoothie takes just 5 minutes to make and is packed full of vitamins and a whole lot of happiness. First, add a cup of frozen strawberries to the blender. Then, peel the oranges and cut them into small pieces for easy mixing with strawberries. If necessary, add honey to increase the sweetness. Finally, stir all the ingredients until smooth. It is best to consume this fresh smoothie immediately. If you want to drink sunshine, I suggest you try this strawberry orange smoothie. Want to get the recipe in this video? Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.